Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to clean up Gmail inbox. So if you also want to clean up Gmail inbox, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Gmail. You can see over here, I've already opened it. If you also want to open Gmail in browser, simply click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. After that, the Gmail will be opened. Now in the Gmail inbox, you might be able to see unnecessary emails that you would like to clean up. So cleaning up the Gmail inbox is actually very simple. There are several processes that you can follow in order to clean up these emails. The first thing that you can do is add the updates tab over here. If you add the updates tab, all the email related to the updates will be displayed in this tab and somehow your Gmail inbox will be cleaned up. So in order to add this tab, what you have to do is click on the gear icon that you can see right over here. Now after that, you can see over here settings will be open. Simply click on the option see all settings. Now after that, you'll be led to the settings interface. Simply click on the inbox option. Now after that, you'll be led to the inbox interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for categories. Over here, make sure to check this option updates. If this option is checked, that means updates tab will be available for you and all the emails containing the update will be displayed in that tab and your inbox will no longer be cluttered. There's also another thing that you can do. The next thing that you can do is simply click on the search bar that you can see right over here. Now simply search for the word unsubscribe. Press enter. Now after that, you'll be able to find all the emails containing the word unsubscribe. You can simply click on any email of your choice. After that, you'll be able to unsubscribe to that email. But that process can be really long. So in that case, what you have to do is click on the option advanced search that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here the box for advanced search will be opened up. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for create filter. Simply click on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create the filter. Make sure to check on the first option, skip the inbox. If you check on this box, all the email containing this word will directly be archived. It will skip the inbox. That means your inbox will be cleaned up. Also make sure to check on this box, also apply filter to matching conversations. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the option create filter. Now wait for a while. After a while, the filter will be created. And if you go to the inbox section, your inbox section will be less cluttered. So there's also another thing that you can do. The another thing that you can do is mute the specific emails. So if you want to mute the email, what you have to do is right click on any email that you want to mute. After that, you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option mute. Now after that, that particular email will be muted. Also, all the emails from that particular email address will be muted now. That way, your inbox will be less cluttered and it will be cleaned up. You can also do a very simple thing in order to clean up the email. For that, what you have to do is simply click on this option, select all. Now after that, you can see over here, all of your inbox emails will be selected. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for archive. Simply click on it. Now wait for a while. Now after that, you can see over here, those emails will be archived. There will still be older emails. So if you want to archive these emails too, simply repeat the same process. Like this, you'll be able to clean up the inbox. So that is how you clean up Gmail inbox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.